and today we're going to be unboxing EasyKicks. EasyKicks is a monthly subscription box that sends you new shoes each month. And you can choose from the newest Nike shoes, including Converse. When you get your second pair of shoes, you can mail your old ones back and they will donate it or recycle it. So let's get started. Ooh. So when you first open it, you'll see this. So this is the bag to return your old shoes. And it has your name on it. Okay. So here's the box. And it has my name on it. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to it. Okay, so I ordered, it's like this fading, so on the tip it's just pink, and then on the side it's like this purplish all the way to black. On the bottom it's all white. And these are Velcro. There's my other one. It also came with stickers. So it also came with a football. It has the Nike logo and says EasyKicks. And it has these balloons and each one says EasyKicks. So it also came with this dolphin sticker, and on the necklace it kind of says like EasyKicks, very small. So here's the shoes that I got. So my box just came with the same shipping bag. Okay, here is my box. And it also says my name on it. I can't wait to show you guys what shoes I picked. Whoa, these are so cool! So I got regular black ones. And mine has a Velcro. And these are just really basic. I would wear these with like tights or something to go to PE. I love these ones. These are so cool. And on the bottom of the box, it came with 2 stickers. So I got this skunk. And I also got, it looks kind of like a chipmunk, and it's playing baseball. So those were my shoes. So those were the shoes that we got from EasyKicks. I love my shoes and I can't wait to wear them out. And I love the colors on my shoe. Let us know what you guys think about this subscription box in the comment section below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.